Hey, wellness warriors! Are you looking for simple, light drinks that can help you shed those extra pounds? We've got you covered. Today, we're sharing 7 powerful drink recipes that not only taste amazing but also work wonders for weight loss. Ready to sip your way to a healthier you? Let's dive in. First up, we've got a tangy drink that's packed with nutrients. 7 Plum Drink. Plums are nature's detoxifiers, packed with vitamin A, potassium, and iron. This drink flushes out toxins and revs up your metabolism. Store it in the fridge and drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach. It's like a jump start for your weight loss journey. Drink 1 glass in the morning, fasted. Next on the list is a sweet and spicy combo you'll love. 6 Cinnamon and Honey Drink. Cinnamon is a metabolism booster, and honey is a natural sweetener that prevents weight gain. Replace sugar with honey and enjoy a warm cup every morning, fasted. This duo works wonders to balance blood sugar levels and kickstart digestion. Drink 1 cup in the morning, on an empty stomach. Now, let's talk about a drink that's earthy and nutritious. 5 Wheat Germ Drink. This drink has a unique, slightly citrusy flavor and is great for digestion and toxin elimination. Drink 150 milliliters before meals for best results. It's perfect for complementing any detoxifying diet. Drink 150 milliliters before meals. Ready for something zesty with a kick. 4 Lemon and Ginger Drink. Lemons and ginger are a dream team for weight loss. Ginger helps with bloating and fluid retention, while lemons stimulate your kidneys and regulate digestion. Start your morning with a cup of this for a refreshing boost. Drink 1 cup in the morning. Coming in at number 3 is a drink that's as healthy as it is unique. 3 Dandelion Tea. This tea is perfect if you're starting a healthy eating journey. It removes harmful substances from your body and accelerates weight loss. But be cautious, it's a powerful diuretic. So stay hydrated. Drink instead of tea. Craving something tropical? We've got just the thing. 2 Pineapple Juice. Packed with vitamin C, pineapple juice helps eliminate excess water weight. Often mistaken for fat, you can dilute it with water and drink as needed for a refreshing and effective fat-burning treat. Dilute with water and drink as needed. And finally, the ultimate weight loss drink, our number 1 pick. 1 Sassy Water. This drink is legendary in the weight loss world. It fights bloating, splits fats, and reduces swelling.
For best results, drink 8 glasses a day for 4 days while keeping your daily calorie intake below 1,400. But remember, what you eat matters too. Drink 8 glasses a day for 4 days. Max 1,400 kilocalories per day. And there you have it, 7 incredible drinks that are not only light, but also highly effective in helping you lose weight. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks to live your best, healthiest life. Thanks for watching the Wellness Guide, your ultimate source for staying fit and fabulous.